Hi folks, it's Redsquadron4 here for box break number 37 for a single box of 1112 SPX. We have two bonus cards. The first is the Alexei Emelin Contenders Auto card, which is going to go to the person who purchased the most teams. In this case, C.V. Caruso, who purchased 11 teams. And we have a Slavovoinov rookie card, which is going to go to a randomized team. And the randomized team, after 3, whoever's in the number 1 position, and 2, whoever got the Ottawa Senators is also going to get that Slavovoinov rookie card. The time is 10:34 on the 18th of November 2012. Get the two bonus cards out of the way. Here we have our serial number. Bonus pack. And good luck, everybody. Peace. 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 And we have our first autograph rookie for the New Jersey Devils, Adam Larson, numbered, hard to see, 419 out of 799. Base. And we have for the Edmonton Oilers a rookie materials of Timu Hartikainen. No serial number on that. Base. We have a finite rookie for the Winnipeg Jets, Carl Klingberg, number 449 of 499. We have a winning combos, Eric Stahl, Patrice Bergeron. So this will be randomized between the Boston Bruins and the Carolina Hurricanes. For the Chicago Blackhawks, the winning materials of Patrick Kane. No serial number on that. Base. Oh, sorry, missed that one. Winnipeg Jets, Legends of Hockey Dale Howardchuk, 128 of 499. Base pack. We have a rookie for the Winnipeg Jets, Paul Postma, number 94 of 499. Base. 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 The last pack before the bonus pack. Base. And the bonus pack. So, of course, only the rookies being sent out. For the Phoenix Coyotes, Andy Mealy, number 38 of 499 from Ice Premiers. Bear with me for one moment while I set up the random for the dual jersey. So again, this randomization is for the Team Canada Eric Stahl Bergeron. We're going to randomize this 3 times. Whoever is in position number 1 at the end will receive that card. 1, 2, and lastly, 3 times Carolina. So Carolina will receive that card. Thanks again to everybody for bidding and for winning. There's going to be a whole bunch of more breaks coming up this week. The Prime, the Topps Prime. I'm going to throw up some Pinnacle, Anthology, some Limited. So if you guys are interested, it'd be awesome to see you there. Thanks again.